Dan from Sugarland has a question about granite repair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's got this problem right here. See that little piece laying there? Dan writes the trim piece that used to be the edge of his outside grill area fell off. And he wants to know, how can he re-glue that on? Because you can see, obviously, it was glued on. What would you use? How would you do that?
I would use JB Weld.
Would you really?
Oh, yeah, a little epoxy.
Okay.
Put it right back on there, no problem. Don't overthink it. You don't want anything that's too gooey. Like a lot of people try to use construction adhesive or panel adhesive. It's too thick, and you're not going to get a nice fit. So use one of the JB Weld products that's a finer type of product. A little bit of epoxy. They have the 2 parts and a squeeze tube. And use not too much, just a few dabs like they did before. And glue it on there, let it sit overnight. Use a little tape to hold it in place and get a nice tight fit. JB Weld, baby, I'm telling you.
Dan's a lucky man.
Why?
Did you see that piece of granite? It was one piece.
Yeah, no, it came off one piece.
Yeah.
Just glue it right back.
Yeah, buddy. Because the other thing, if it had fallen down and hit something, it would have just shattered into pieces.
That stuff is very fragile.
So you're very lucky. You know what? But you would just clamp that on and make it till it sets up. Because
I would put it in there, and I would use some tape. And
just tape?
Tape will hold it tight, but good tape that you can tape real nice and tight.
Okay.
Like good quality duct tape would work.
Or gaffer tape, but not painter's
Gaffer tape. People don't know what that is.
Okay, gaffer tape.
Yes, it's great tape.
There's usually a roll of it around here somewhere. Gaffer tape is this black.
Yeah.
It's like duct tape without the shiny, and when it comes off clean.
But it holds really tight.
Yeah. And if you were to come to our studio, you'd see lots of dots around here where things are supposed to be. And Chris Desmond, who does our video production, marks things where he wants to put the light and stuff. And so we have this kind of speckled floor here.
Where do you guys buy your gaffer tape?
B&H Photo.
Okay. B&H Photo. Gaffer tape.
Yeah, just go online. You search gaffer tape, you can probably find it.
Gaffer is a word that's used in television.
Actually, you buy it on Amazon, too.
You can buy everything on Amazon.
Tell me about
you can even buy JB Weld on Amazon.
Yeah.
That's right.
That's it. I bought these shirts on Amazon. I did. All right. You got a question? You can't get the answer on Amazon. You got to come to us. You got to come to HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.